Hello guys, welcome again to Tutorials Hub. This is Amitabh, your teacher. So today we are going to learn about some most common grammatical errors. Without wasting any time, let's get started. At first we'll talk about using if conditionals. If I will visit London, I will meet you. This is an incorrect sentence. The correct one will be if I visit London, I will meet you. What is the rule over here? You need to use simple present tense to refer to the future after conjunctions like when, after, if, as soon as. For examples, I will talk to him when I see him in the next 2 days. I will call you as soon as I arrive at the airport. If the plan succeeds, I will come. Now moving on to next, which is married with or married to. She is married with an engineer. This is an incorrect sentence. Correct will be she is married to an engineer. Here, to is a correct preposition to use with married. Third, every with singular noun or every with plural noun. Every student is intelligent in the class. What will the correct one? Every student is intelligent in the class. Here, a singular noun is used with every. Now move on to next, which is using but and although together. Although it was raining, but we went to market. It is an incorrect sentence. Now the correct one will be although it was raining, we went to market. Here, if the sentence starts with although, don't use but with that. For examples, although cell phones have many merits, demerits cannot be overlooked. Although he was not well, he attended the function. Next is your. What were your answer? It is an incorrect one. Now the correct one will be what was your answer? Here, your indicates possession, that is something belonging to you. For example, where is your cell phone? You are responsible for this project. Now moving on to next, which is unique or most unique. This is the most unique dress. Is an incorrect. Now the correct one will be this is the unique dress. Here, adjectives like unique, ideal, entire, extreme, perfect do not admit different degrees of comparison. For examples, that job is perfect for him. These conditions are ideal. Next one is me or I. Smith and me went to the mall. This is an incorrect one. The correct will be Smith and I went to the mall. Here, when talking about doing some activity with someone else, use his or her name followed by I. For examples, my brother and I love ice cream. John and I are planning a trip. Moving on to next, then or than. She is beautiful than her. It is an incorrect one. What will be the correct one? She is beautiful than her. Here, than is used for a comparison. Then is used for planning a schedule or to indicate instructions. For examples, he is clever than her. First, I will go to Amritsar, then Delhi. Next one is amount or number. A greater amount of people are visiting the stadium. This is an incorrect one. And what will be the correct one? A greater number of people are visiting the stadium. Here, the amount is used for uncountable commodities. The number is used for countable things. Examples: a large amount of sand is needed for the project. We can watch a number of TV shows. Next is fewer or less. There are less dresses, which is an incorrect one. What will be the correct? There are fewer dresses. Here, fewer is used for countable items, less is used for uncountable commodities. For examples, there was a less rainfall last year. There are fewer students in the class. Moving on to the next, which is did not. I did not saw him yesterday. An incorrect sentence. What will be the correct one? I did not see him yesterday. Here, use base form of the verb with did. For example, I do not study maths. He didn't get up early today. Her mother did not allow her to go out with her friends. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.